Hey dolls, if you want to know how I got this lipstick, continue to watch.
Welcome back to my channel, you all. Thank y'all so much for tuning in here at Frederica Nation. As you can see from the title of the video, we're going to be talking about how I made my lipstick. So this is how it came out. Look at that, you all. Ain't it pretty? Ooh wee. And it is so beautiful. Look at that. So I had some extra left and I just put it in here, and I'm going to just be using that for my personal stuff, you know, just for me personally, personal use. I didn't want to waste it, so I just put it in there. But these are the tubes. We're going to put these in. I'm going to do another video to show y'all how everything is done. But I wanted to show you all, because I wanted to make sure that it was a success first. This is my first time, because I'm about to add some lipsticks to my cosmetic line. Yes, I'm going to start off with 4 different colors. And this is one of the colors that I'm going to start off with. And you're going to take your tubes, and you're going to make sure it's all the way up to the top. Okay? You're going to need this mold, lipstick mold. I've been having this for over a year. I forgot where I even bought it from, but it's out there. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your tube and go straight down. Okay? You're going to twist it just a little bit. And it lifts right up out of there. Because you want to make sure it catches. And look at that. Look at that. This is I am super happy about this, because the first time I tried to make lipstick, which was about a year or so ago, it did not work out for me, y'all. I just was having a hard time. So I gave up on it, and I just left it and just whatever. So this time when I did it, I really took my time to do this. Okay, I really did. And so you're going to press it down. Okay, and then you're going to twist it a little bit so it can catch. And there it goes. Voila. Look at your lipstick. Yes, look at the stick. That is off the chain. Down and up. Wow. This is, I'm over here like, for real. So, my 3 lipsticks that I just made, I am going to make some more. Like I said, I'm starting off with 4 different colors. So, I am excited. Now, of course, let me do a swatch for y'all. And I'm going to use this. This is the same kind that's in there. And since this is my personal use, I'm going to just take my finger so y'all can see it. Okay. I'm going to do a swatch. That's that pretty pink color. Look at that. So it's not a very dark pink, but it's like a pretty glittery, shimmery type of pink. And it's shiny. Your lips will be shiny, moisturized. But that is the color, if you all could see it. Ain't that pretty? Yes. So, I'm actually about to put this on the website, because I'm going to make at least about a few of these to start off with. Okay. I have a baby shower that I have to do, and I'm going to have a vendor table, so I have everything set out, and I'm trying to get product together so I can start pumping this stuff really good. But if you want these lipsticks, okay, Royalty Queens Cosmetics by Frederica. Yes, baby, yes. You need to hit me up or go to the website. Thank y'all so much. If you like this video, thumbs up. Okay, comment down in the section below. And I will see y'all some other time. See ya.